In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variables in the REDCap. Now to do this, you want to go inside your project and click on Designer over here top left, which is going to open the online designer. Then you want to click on the desired instrument. I'm going to click on this one over here, and then this is where you can basically start by adding fields. So I'm just going to add a random field in here. So we're just going to go down here where it says first name and then last name, and we're just going to do over here. I'm going to click on add field, and you can select your field type. So it could be whatever. I'm just going to do a text box just to make it simple. And then over here you can see you can put in the field label. So what's going to basically be asking for, I'm just going to do what's your mom's name, for example, like this. Doesn't make sense, but you get the point. And then here you can just put in the variable name, and this is how we can add variables. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one as mom name like this, and then I can click on save. And as you can see, it's going to basically create it. It created a new question over here, a new field inside my form here, and the field name or variable is now mom name. And I can use this to basically use it like with these smart variables over here. Yeah, that's essentially how to do this. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.